Okay, you are all welcome to today's class on Galileo Travelport. Okay, this is another section of availability display I'm going to show us. We couldn't finish last time, so this is another section of it. That one is 1, this is 2. So if you watch that one, you need to come and watch this one too to complete your knowledge. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing videos. God bless you. So today I want to show us how to last time we talked about the career specific display of using alliances, airline alliances like Star Alliance, One World, SkyTeam, to search for availability for those airlines. So today I want to show us how to flight to a particular city using a departure time. Maybe you have a specific time you want to fly to leave, so the system can quickly display this for you. So the code is this: 16 December, Lagos to London. Okay, Lagos to London Heathrow. Then dot. Let me say you want 2 p.m. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there's no 2 p.m. Let's change it. Let's see. Let's say 15 for this. There's none. Seamless. Okay, you need to move down to see to check it. But that's how to display using a departure time. Then if you want to display it from a specific time, if you want to see, you can still put hash here. Let's see. There's none. This is a code. So next is availability outbound and inbound. To display outbound and inbound same time. You see, the Galileo Travelport is very good and useful. You can actually display availability for outbound and inbound same time. Instead of using one by one, doing departure and doing you're going and returning and coming back separately, you can actually display it the same time. So what you need to do is date of departure, to Addis Ababa. That's your departure. Then slash the airline you want to use, Ethiopia Airline, plus the return. The return is 10th of January. 10th of January. Using same airline, BT. See, the system will split the screen for you in 2 places. So this is now departure and this is now arrival. You see, the system will split the screen for you. Now this is departure. All availability on departure. You can move down to see everything you want. You can still search for more. Then if this is a return, you can still search for more. The way you understand it, it's very easy and very nice to use. I urge you call the Galileo people to come and help you to install your Galileo into your system, because Galileo is one of the best to use. Okay, so let me take the screen back to what it is to be. Okay, So next is availability to display those 10 days to display onward and outward on 10 inward for 10 days. You want to display availability for 10 days availability, 10 days. You want to search outbound and inbound for less than 10 days. So what we do is less than 10 days, display the availability the way we know to do before, plus 10 slash the airline ET. See, there's no availability, there's no this one. Okay, I can see it. This for 10 days search, as in the customer is spending 10 days. You can see this 20th to return 30th. So this one too is very good to use. The customer is using 10 days. If you have a customer that wants to spend a particular number of days in their travel, so this one will help you to display quickly instead of you moving and changing the. If you don't know the exactly date, and just put the 10 days here on the airline, the system will help you to bring it out like this. Are you seeing it? So if you want to close up this page, the second page, just come here and click up arrows to take it to 1. So the next is to search for availability with a specific class of travel. You are searching for a specific class of travel. Availability for a specific class of travel. Customer wants a specific class. You give them a specific class. How to go about that is when this, let's use our let's use this our display for a specific class of travel on GALILEO Travelport. Okay, now put at, then the class you are searching for. If it is Victor class, if it is first class, if it is Tango class, if it is premium economy, anyone you are looking for, and just search for this. The system will display a exact specific class for you. Now we are searching for Victor class. The system will display only Victor class for you. As you can see, all Victor classes, all our travels. See, line 1 Victor, line 2 Victor, line 3, line 5, line 8, line 11. As you can see, Victor class, all Victor class, all through. Let's say we want to search for Tango class. The system will display all for you. That's if it's available. Yes, let's take his network. Give it a few minutes. I take his network. His network. Okay, let's go back. Let's go again. I'm not sure there's Tango class. That's what the system is saying. That error. I'm not sure there is Tango class. We still have more. We still have like 4 to do. Okay. So the next is display availability request for a booking class in the same cabin as the Victor class. We want to display availability in the same cabin as in the Victor class. So what we need to do is put in hash here. This one is to display availability request for booking class in the same cabin as the Victor class. Let's see. As you can see, we display only. See, that's what it got for us. So, which is this code here. So the next is first availability request for 1 week for Victor class on direct flight. Availability of 1 week. 1 week for Victor class for direct flight. 1 week for Victor class for direct flight. So what we need to do is just come here and change this to F. 20th December. Abuja to London Heathrow. Go to London Heathrow / Ethiopia. At Victor class. Invalid month. You see the month is invalid. One more. Okay, see, it's available. So that's the code here. The next is to display it with first availability request for 1 week flight. Thank you very much for this video. Thank you so much.